impeachment?
Well, it was actually private communication, but na-leak na, yes. Because that's really my opinion.
Sir, there was a text message circulating on social media yesterday saying that Vice President Sara Duterte, in the larger scheme of things, is unimportant, so don't file an impeachment complaint. Sabi galing daw po sa inyo yun. Can you confirm that, sir? Was there an effort on your part to stop the filing of impeachment?
Well, it was actually private communication, but na-leak na, yes. Because that's really my opinion. This is not important. This does not make any difference to even one single Filipino life. So why waste time on it? What will happen to if somebody files an impeachment? It will tie down the House, it will tie down the Senate, it will just take a more time, and for that, for what? For nothing. For nothing. None of this will help improve a single Filipino life. As far as I'm concerned, it's a storm in a teacup.